Have you ever imagined turning your ideas into viral content with thousands of likes, shares, and views, all while making real money online? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, today, I'm going to show you exactly how that's possible. Stick around because I'll teach you step by step how to create videos, texts, images, and even content ideas that can blow up on social media. This could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Hey everyone, welcome to Digital Profit Hacks. If you're new here, this is the channel where we break down the most effective ways to make money online using AI, automation, and smart digital strategies. Today's topic is how to create viral content using AI, a step-by-step guide. Before we jump in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any valuable tips. Let's get started. Step 1. Choose the right topic. The first step is picking a topic that's relevant and grabs your audience's attention. Creating awesome content won't matter if no one cares about the subject, right? Research with Google Trends. Head to Google Trends and search for keywords related to your niche, like make money online, extra income, or online entrepreneurship. Check the interest over time and see if it's growing or declining. This helps you focus on trending topics that your audience is already searching for. Use keyword tools platforms like SEMrush, Answer the Public, and Google Ads. Keyword Planner are fantastic for finding high-volume, low-competition keywords. These tools give you insights into what people are searching for and help you identify opportunities to rank higher. Look for topics that have a lot of searches but moderate competition. This is the sweet spot where your content can shine. Tap into relatable topics. Beyond just trending keywords, think about the challenges your audience faces daily. For example, if you're in the finance niche, topics like how to budget effectively, best tools for productivity, or how I made $1,000 in a week are super relatable. If you're targeting entrepreneurs, themes like AI tools that save time or successful side hustle stories can hit home. The key is to connect with what your audience cares about most and offer solutions or inspiration. Step 2. Leverage AI to generate ideas. Once you've nailed your topic, it's time to get inspiration from AI tools that save you tons of planning and brainstorming time. Try ChatGPT. It is one of the most popular AI tools for generating scripts, topic ideas, titles, and calls to action. For example, if your topic is personal finance, ask ChatGPT, suggest 5 viral content ideas about personal finance. In seconds, you'll have a goldmine of ideas ready to refine for your audience. Short-form video tools. If you're into creating TikToks, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, check out tools like Pictory or InVideo. They use AI to generate scripts and visuals based on minimal input from you. These platforms can also suggest stock footage and music to speed up production. Specialized AI tools. There are AI tools designed for data analysis, like BuzzSumo, to identify trending content in your niche. Use these insights to focus on what's already working and adapt it to your style. Step 3. Produce content using AI. Now that you have your topic and ideas, it's time to create your content with the help of AI. Long-form text and blog posts. Tools like Jasper AI and ChatGPT can craft well-structured articles from a simple outline. For example, prompt them with, write a 1,000-word article about starting an online business and earning $1,000 in 30 days. Don't forget to tweak the output to match your personal tone. Eye-catching graphics platforms like Canva with AI features or Midjourney can generate stunning visuals based on text prompts. For example, type something like, create an image of a modern workspace with a futuristic vibe and watch the magic happen. These visuals work perfectly as thumbnails, social media posts, or ebook covers. Scripts and video editing. For video content, use tools like Descript to generate captions, edit audio, and even create scripts. You can also rely on YouTube Studio's automatic captioning feature. Just make sure to review and fix any transcription errors. Step 4. Optimize for social media. After creating your content, it's time to optimize it so it reaches the right audience. Titles, descriptions, and hashtags. Write attention-grabbing titles like How to Create Viral Content Using AI, Step-by-Step Guide. In descriptions, Use searchable keywords such as extra income, digital business, and make money online. Add relevant hashtags like #digital profit, #AI marketing, and #side hustle to boost discoverability. Thumbnails that pop. On YouTube, your thumbnail is your first impression. Use bold colors, large text, and engaging images to make people want to click. Tools like Canva can help you design professional-looking thumbnails quickly. Engage with your audience. Encourage viewers to comment, like, and share your content. This not only increases visibility, but also builds a sense of community. Don't forget to ask them to subscribe to your channel for more tips. Bonus tip: consistency is key. Even if you've cracked the code for creating amazing content, posting once or twice won't cut it. The secret to growing your online presence is consistency. Stick to a posting schedule. Set a routine, like uploading videos every Monday and Thursday or posting daily reels. This builds anticipation and keeps your audience engaged. Plus, social media algorithms favor creators who post regularly. Engage and analyze. Respond to comments, create polls, and ask your audience what they want to see next. Use analytics tools to track performance and refine your strategy. If one type of content performs well, double down on it. Plan for growth set goals, like reaching 10,000 subscribers in 6 months. Work backwards to create actionable steps. Keep an eye on trends and be ready to adapt your content. If you're looking for more strategies to kickstart your digital business and make your first profits online, I've got something special for you. I've put together a complete guide that breaks everything down step by step, from finding your niche to setting up your social media for monetization. Check out the pinned comment below and start your journey today. If you enjoyed these tips on how to create viral content using AI tools, don't forget to give this video a like, drop a comment below with your thoughts, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new updates. And hey, share this video with your friends who are looking to create killer content and make money online too. Thanks so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in the next video.